Welcome to CHCINM002, Meet Community Information Needs. This unit is about recognizing what information people need, creating or improving useful resources, and keeping that information current, clear, and accessible. In community services and early childhood settings, good information helps people understand their options, connect with support, and make informed decisions. For assessment, pay close attention to how you identify information needs, review existing resources, and develop materials that are accurate, practical, and fit for the people using them. Element 1 is about identifying information requirements. For assessment, you'll need to show that you can work out what information a community or specific group needs and why that information matters. You'll also need to gather current and accurate information from reliable sources, so your materials are based on information people can trust. Just as importantly, you need to identify gaps, duplication, or outdated content so you can see what needs to be updated, improved, or created. Element 2 is about addressing information requirements. For assessment, you'll need to show that you can use existing information sources where they meet the need, and recognize when new or improved resources are required. You'll also need to consult with users and stakeholders, plan how the information will be implemented, choose a format that suits the audience, and use technology to develop clear, practical resources that are ready to share.
Element 3 is about reviewing and improving information. For assessment, you'll need to show that you can evaluate whether resources still meet community needs and whether current systems are working effectively. You'll also need to look for ways to maintain quality through routine review, updates, and continuous improvement, so information stays useful, accurate, and fit for purpose. For assessment, you need to show that you can assess and respond to the information needs of one community or specific group. This is about applying the process, not just describing it. You must analyze the current information capacity, identify what new or improved materials are needed, and develop at least one information resource that meets those needs.
You'll also need to understand the knowledge evidence for this unit. That includes information sources, ways to share information in print and digital formats, storage and recording processes, information management systems, and the technologies used to prepare and publish materials. You also need to know how formatting and presentation choices affect the final resource. Your assessment must be completed in a workplace or in a realistic simulated environment that reflects workplace conditions. As you work through Moodle, use the elements, performance criteria, and assessment evidence as your checklist. If your work clearly lines up with each requirement, you'll be giving yourself the best chance of success in CHCINM002. Keep coming back to the unit requirements as you complete each activity, and let them guide what evidence you prepare and submit.